All right, so let's solve some questions on area and perimeter, okay? So I'll put up two questions and I want you to quickly draw them in your book and try and solve them to the best of your ability. Okay, so this distance here is 10 feet. Distance here is 7 feet. This is 6 feet, and this is 10 feet. So you have to find this part in this part. Then you're going to solve for the perimeter as well as the area. Okay, so that's the first question.
Oh yes. Um.
Hold on. Then the second question, this length is 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and here 6 centimeters. You have to find this yourself. This is given 4 centimeters. This is given 4 centimeters. You have to find the space yourself. Okay, so you're going to solve the two questions, and I'm going to set some time for you. Let's see how long it's going to take you to solve both questions. You're going to find the area and the perimeter of the two questions. Okay, so this is a follow-up to our last class. We just want to solve some questions and see how well we still remember the things I've been taught. So your time starts to count now. I hope you've drawn the two diagrams. Okay,
I
I'm
have.
going to pause. Okay, and you've put the right measurements there.
Yes.
Okay, so your time can start counting now. So I'm going to
Wait,
pause
but is it?
wait till
Wait,
you solve it. Is that okay?
I'm
Okay,
not understanding.
so you're ready with the area and perimeter for the second one.
Yes, I'm not
Okay.
understanding the first one.
Okay. So what is your perimeter for this, for the second one? Since you're ready with one for the second one. So I'm going to write your answers down. What's your perimeter for
34,
this? You got 34?
34 centimeters.
Okay. 34 cm. Okay. And then what's your area?
38 centimeters squared.
Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let us see. Okay, so you spent about 6 minutes to solve the question. So let's
6
see.
minutes.
So
Oh, six.
you said 38 centimeters squared, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at it together. So what is this distance?
That distance is 5 centimeters.
Okay, that's correct. 5 centimeters. Okay. Then what is this distance?
2 centimeters.
Centimeters. Okay, that's correct. Okay. So if we're to add, let's say we'll start from here. So well, let's take it from here. So 4, start point from here. So this is going to give us 4 centimeters plus 4, that's 8. 2, 10, 19. 19 plus 6 is what?
That's
25.
25,
25 plus 5 is what?
20, 30.
30. So how did you get 34?
Hmm? Um, first, oh, I added, I added an extra 4. Yeah, I didn't get the whole thing before I started adding it all up. I just got one part and then I think I added an extra 4 by accident.
Yeah, so that's why part of why I'm
But
doing this practice with you is so that we take note of what we're doing and we practice what has been taught. So I told you always pick your starting point because when you go around the shape, you have to come back to that same spot. So if you don't pick the spot, it's possible you start from here, then you go around, and then you're going to come and stop here because you didn't note your starting point. So always note it so that if you have to go around, you know you're coming back there. Just put a pencil tick there. That makes it easy for you. Okay. So even if I decide, okay, I don't want to start from here, let's say I want to start from, let's pick another point. Let's say we're picking this point, for instance. If I pick this point as my starting point, for instance, so I'm going to go 6 plus 5 is 11, right? Plus 4 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 2 is 21, and plus 9 is 30. So I'm still going to have 30 centimeters. Do you see? So that's why it's important to always pick that point. Okay? So this wrong, so it's going to be 30 centimeters. Okay, but I like the fact that you got those dimensions correctly. So even if you get dimension, that's not the end until you get the answer. So you have to always be careful with whatever you're doing so that even if you have your dimensions correctly, you can still get it wrong because you didn't add it the right way. Okay, so this is wrong. So I put the correct answer there. Okay, so next, the area. How did you get your area? What did you do to get your area?
So first I cut off the space between like the lines, the like the line that's
Are you trying to join with,
the 4 centimeter line,
are you trying to
the
join
one
with
that
another
has
line? Are you trying to join with another phone?
no like the 4 centimeter line. I cut that one off.
Okay, this, did you cut it this way? You cut it this way,
I cut it up.
up like this. So you
Yes,
mean this way.
yes I do.
Okay, so what's the area of this side? So let me just give it,
It's 8 centimeters square.
let's say, call this side G, right? So you said this is what? What's the area of this G?
8 centimeters square.
Good. So G, I'm sorry, G equals to 8 centimeters squared, okay? All right, let's say this other shape is H. So what's the area of H?
The area of H is yeah. The area of H I got for that 30 centimeters square.
Yeah, because this is 6 multiplied by 5, that gives us 30 centimeters squared. So, because if we combine the two, it's going to give us 38 centimeters squared. So you got that correct. Okay. So this is correct. Well done. Well done.
Thank you,
So
sir.
this is the way you want to cut it, but you can also cut it the other way. Like I always say, there's no one way to dealing with this. So the more, the better. You can always check if you have extra time. You understand what I mean? So I can
Yes,
go ahead again and cut this way this time around. Sorry, my line is not straight, except I used the whatever. So let's just say this is the way I cut it. So that means I'm going to have this as my G now and this as my H. So my G is going to be 2 multiplied by 9, right? So this new method, um, my G is going to be 18 centimeters squared, right? Because it's 2 by 9 or 9 by 2, whichever one. Then this other part, my H is going to be 4 by 5. See that 4 by 5. So it will be 20. So whichever way you deal with it, you're still going to get the same answer, right? So this is 20 centimeters squared. So both of them, if you look at it, this gives you 38 centimeters squared. And the other one also gives you 38 centimeters squared. So irrespective of how you cut it, just make sure that you understand what you're doing, okay?
Okay.
And sometimes the more you practice, the easier it will help you to know what best way to cut because of the numbers you're going to be multiplying together. You see that? So like this one now give 6 by 5. So you know 6 times 5 is easy for you to multiply. And then you have a 4 by 2. It's quite easy. So that's very easy, right? This also has its own, well, can also be easy for some people as well. If you have to deal with it 9 by 2, 2 by 9, 2 times 9, right? Or and 4 by 5. So, but in some questions, the figures, some might look more difficult than some. These are quite easy because of the kind of numbers. If you are given 2 digits by 2 digits where you have to start multiplying 2 digits, that's where there might be complications. You might need to now think of which way will give you the easiest um, access to solving it. Okay, right. So
Okay.
that's good. So let's look at this one. You said you don't understand this one. Okay, so this from here to here is your 6. Do you understand?
Yes.
From here to here is your 6. From here to
Yes.
here is your 10. This is 10. And this is 7. So you should be able to solve this.
Now I understand. I can do it now.
Okay, so solve it. Let's
Okay.
let's see.
So
Um, Second Israel. Hmm. Okay. So
the
okay, so
perimeter is
are the
40
way
feet.
the perimeter is what?
40 feet.
40. Sorry, just a
No,
minute. Just a minute, please.
40 foot. 40 feet. So
So I want to put it up so that we'll look at it together. So you said the perimeter is 40
40.
feet,
Yes.
right? Good. I like the fact that you're sorry, just a minute. Um, okay, so let me just sorry for that. Okay, so I like the fact that you're now putting the units and if it's come to stay, right? So 40 feet is your perimeter. Okay, so what's your area?
And my area is 58 feet squared. Can it be
58
squared?
feet squared. Okay, so let's see. We'll solve it together. So let me just cut it. Which one will be better for me? This is 10. Okay, what's the spot?
I cut it at
So
the
what's this missing part? What's the measurement for this missing part?
4 feet.
This part?
4 feet.
4, okay, correct. 4 feet. Uh-huh.
And The
And
other
this one is
3
what?
feet.
3 feet.
3 feet.
Okay, that's very good. So that's really very easy for you to deal with. Okay, so let me just cut it this way. All right. So if I cut it that way, the area of this part is 10 times 4, right? So this is 10 times 4 is 40, right?
Okay.
And then 6 times 3 is 18. So 40 plus 18 is 58 feet squared, correct. Okay, so let's measure the perimeter. I'm going to start from here. So I'll go 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 6, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40. Absolutely correct. Fantastic. Well done. You deserve a round of applause for that. So you see, the more you practice, the better you become at it. And sometimes it's not as difficult as we think they are. You know, as we practice, we realize that some of those things are just much easier than you think. Okay. So sorry, just a minute. So I wanted to get some other questions for you to try. Okay. Sorry, just a minute. So I wanted to give you two more questions, but this time around, these questions are quite different. They're a bit different. Okay, so I'll bring them up now. So let's see. Where do I have it? Okay, so I want to solve these two questions now. So I'll set a time. Okay. Okay, you know what? Because of time, solve this. I'm going to ask you the question in the next class. Time is already up. I need to take some of the people around. So tell your brother to come and join. Okay, go solve this one, and I'll call to ask for the answer the next few minutes. Is that okay?
Okay.
So the two of them, you drawn them?
No, not yet.
Okay, quickly draw them so that I can log you out. Then I can take the next person. So solve and time yourself and see how many minutes it's going to take you to solve it. All right? I hope that's fine.
I'm done. I'm done writing it down.
You're done? Okay, so I can take it off now. Okay. So you can see you in the next class. Tell your brother to join. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll call you to get the answer. All right?
Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Hello?